Thank you, Mike. If a nuclear or oil and gas or a utility customer audited our lab tomorrow, what would impress them about Microtex?
Well, clearly, if they're looking for state-of-the-art and looking for well-designed equipment, they're looking for advanced batteries, then I think what would impress them is the amount of effort that Microtex has put into ensuring that the design of their product and the processes meet the best standards. To do that, you need to test. You need to test the product design and you need to test the processes through some sort of independent means. Independent to production, that is. Within the factory, we have independent laboratories. We have chemical laboratory and we have electrical test laboratory. These are not part of production. These are not part of our design details. They report the facts. They report what we do. They report the results. And they don't make any comment on it. It's up to us to ensure that we pass the tests that they're given. You're only as good as your equipment. Since 2008, since I first came to Microtex, we've had state-of-the-art equipment in the test lab, vital for a battery factory. We've only used equipment from Digitron and Bytrode. And in fact, the latest purchase we've had from Digitron automates that process. So that we have automatic updating of our results and automatic reports generated about how our product is performing under routine tests. We've also undertaken a lot of product redesign. We're going into niche markets and we have to tailor our products for those niche markets, as already explained. Microtex can do it because of the flexibility and the size. They're not a big corporate giant which is inflexible. They're a small, dedicated team. Unless we have constant feedback about the changes we make and the efforts we use in order to improve our performance or reduce our costs, again, very important in this market, then with this latest edition from Digitron, we can do that very quickly, very easily. The other nice thing is we're looking very closely at charging, as I mentioned before. Now, I've personally worked with Digitron for quite a few years on their equipment, and I know that this Digitron equipment can reproduce the sort of profiles and give us a feedback with particular ways of interrogating a battery. And it can do that. It's so flexible. It's perfect for development work. So with that and our ambitions, we know that we can monitor our existing production methods, ensuring we're making the best quality all the time, but also very rapidly do design changes, test that design change. Likewise, in the chemical laboratory, critical aspects of our design can be let down by the raw materials, supplier miscalculations in what we want. Call it miscalculations, but you have to test those incoming materials and make sure it's what you're expecting. Also, our processes, every single one, we expect a certain chemical outcome, a certain structure to our materials. With our laboratory, particularly with incoming materials, we've got spark emission analysis. We can check what happens to our processes during casting, how the alloys behave, whether or not we get in the grid what we expect, all these things. Chemical testing to make sure that we've got the right chemistry of our plates. We have rapid feedback and we're set up to be able to ensure that everything we do, we can trust that we are getting what we expect. If you can't trust that, you can't progress. It's very simple. So I would say they'd be impressed with two things, not just the equipment, but also the way we apply that equipment to checking our processes and our development work in a very rigorous and thorough way.